Alexa, sunroom light on. Hey Aldi fans, this is another Aldi Finds product. This is a paper rope pendant lamp for indoor use only, and it's made by Casalux. The model number specifically is 16245, and this comes with two different ways for it to be installed. You can either directly wire it in to the ceiling, and that's what I did in our sunroom, or it has a nice long plug with an inline switch that you can see right there. It has a nice aesthetic that goes along with our sunroom, which is kind of Hawaiian in theme because we keep our hot tub in there. Let's go look at it and I'll show you what it looks like with the light. Price on this was about $20, and I bought this about a month and a half ago, so about September 2023. Let's go check it out hanging from the ceiling. Here we are in the sunroom. You have to forgive the mess. We are kind of transitioning from seasons. The pool is closed for the season. We got the ski gear out and we're starting to go through that. And of course we have puppies, so I have the puppy pad with urine on it to keep it a classy video. Anyway, here's the light. And we have it between a couple of chairs and a switch right next to it. There's a really nice rope kind of island feel for us. And with the bulb that's included, it casts a nice warm light. Has a plenty long cord and a traditional ceiling mount like that if you choose it. Otherwise, you just hang it from a plug that's included. But I had to cut this and wire it up, which wasn't a big deal. But the light provides a nice color. It's about 9 inches wide, about a foot and a couple inches tall, and probably a 20-foot cord. Everything is included, even the hook and the cord angle plastic piece up there. So for my money and the look, this is why we check out the Aldi finds, because you never know what they're going to have. I'll stick a link to a product like this in the description below, or if I can find this exact one, we'll stick it in there. But as always, thanks for watching.